Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. I'm back. I had to take a little sabbatical break, but you know what we're going through right now here in the world. Everybody needs a little break every now and then. So I am doing a Dollar Tree Tuesday. It'll probably be Dollar Tree Tuesdays for a while because they have shut down my thrift store and the Walmart. It is too germy for me to be going in, but I do have some things that I have been purchasing online from the Walmart. So y'all will be seeing several items that UPS and FedEx and United States Post Office has been dropping off at my door, including Target and Amazon. So I appreciate y'all taking the time to come over and view some of the videos while I have been gone, for a while. And just wanted to say I'm good, I'm fine, I'm living life. I'm just trying to get over this crisis like everybody else here in the whole United States of America and the world. But I want to let y'all know your girl is back. And I got some exciting stuff that is coming to y'all for the next 3 months. Yes, that little break that I took, that's what I've been doing. I have been planning for my channel. So I just wanted to come on and give this PSA and say thank y'all that has been following me, my new subscribers that have been coming on to my little short lives. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And as always, I hope y'all are saying to yourself when you're at the store and you're thinking about me, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying that. Y'all stay blessed. Into the next video.